In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that managing your financial transactions is as streamlined and straightforward as possible. Let's begin by navigating to the Invoices section. First, head over to the Sales menu. Once you find yourself there, click on Invoices. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've issued. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's the central hub for tracking all your sales transactions. The next step is to select the specific invoice for which you want to record a payment. Take a moment to review the list of invoices to find the one you're looking for. This step is crucial because recording the payment against the correct invoice is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Once you've identified the right invoice, click on it to open up the details. With your invoice open, you're ready to record the payment. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Record Payment button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a form where you'll input the payment details. Now, let's enter the payment details. You'll want to be precise here to ensure everything adds up correctly. Begin by filling in the Amount Received field. This should reflect the actual amount of money you've received from your customer. Next, select the payment date. This is the date when the payment was actually made or received, and it's important to keep it accurate for accounting purposes. The following detail you'll need to enter is Deposit To. Here, you'll choose the account where this payment has been deposited. It's crucial to select the correct account so that your financial records remain accurate and your bank reconciliations are a breeze. Finally, select the payment mode. This is where you indicate how the payment was made. Options might include cash, bank transfer, or any other method your business accepts. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, the final step is to confirm and save the record. Simply click the Save button to record the payment. This action updates your records and reflects the payment against the invoice, ensuring that your books are updated and correct. And there you have it. Recording a payment in Zoho Books can be simple and efficient when you follow these steps. Keeping your financial data organized with precision not only helps with daily operations, but also makes analysis and reporting much easier. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep watching for more practical tips on managing your business finances with Zoho Books.